Hello friends, welcome to my channel Power of AEM. In this session, we are going to explore the new exclusive feature of AEM related to AI agents. In this overall video, we are going to cover what is AI agents, how can we access those agents, and we can also explore with some use cases. Let's talk about first AI agents. AI agents are now available in AEM as a cloud service, but we have to request that because these features are still in the beta phase. Adobe has launched 5 different AI agents for different purposes. As the name is suggesting, experience product agent, content optimization agent, discovery agent, development agent, and governance agent. These agents we can request in all as well as individual. So in terms of accessing those agents, multiple different screens are available for us, which we can utilize to consume all those agents with some appropriate responses. However, the prompt we have to provide based on the given prompt, we can get the response. AI agent is helping all the non-technical user and technical user to find out the better output from the AEM system. As we would like to access the AI agents from AEM screen, there are multiple sources to access that. You can access from the home screen, Cloud Manager, AI Assistant. If you are on EDS, then you can use the Universal Editor, also content and experience fragments. Let's quickly see how the AI agents are available for us, in which release those are available, and how and where from where we can access that. Release of this year in January month, these agents were published in the beta phase. So if you look at these release notes, they are clearly saying in the beta program, we are having now AI agents available. In terms of accessing those agents, you need to enable it by dropping or raising the support case to the Adobe. It depends on your overall business need. How would you like to utilize those AI agents? Might be all 5 agents are helping to you to do some 10 different operation, or might be one agent can help to do all these operations. Now let's see from where you can go and see these agents. On your home screen, there is a product announcement card available from where you can create your playground and you can create a new program with author and published tier for 30 days. Those program will not require any kind of paperwork or any kind of exploration or signing of the contract. These will be available for you for play as a playground to explore these services. So you can create and utilize that. However, if you are on AM screen, you go to the AI assistant feature, and from where you can access and play around with the all AI agents, as those are inbuilt available with the AI assistant. Also, you can go on your home screen from where you can play with the AI assistant. So this is how you can access your AI assistant, and you can explore that. In the next video, we can cover how each playground or how each AI agents will be available with some use cases to play with. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe my channel.